Hi everyone! So today I'm gonna show you a quick tutorial video on how to add your other social media link to your YouTube channel. So first you need to open your YouTube account, and as you can see there is a customized channel right here. Just click that one and it will show like that. And in the right side there is a pencil button. Just click that one and click edit links. And down here there is an add button, so just click that one and you can copy paste the link that you want to paste here. So I want to paste my Facebook page. I want to put my Facebook page right here, so I'll just copy paste the link and I'll paste right here. And just put the link title. So this is my FB page. And then after that one, or before that one guys, you can put at least 5 social media links in here, but at the moment I just want to put my Facebook page. So after that, just click done. And then I'll go back to my channel. So now I have my Facebook page right here now. So it's easy for my viewers now to access if they want to reach me out to my other social media. So if I will click this one, so yeah, that's it. Easy. So guys, that's my Facebook page. You can like my Facebook page if you want. But yeah guys, so that's all my tutorial for today. I hope this will help you guys, and thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.